Welcome back to Three Bricks Higher, guys. My name's Dom, and today I'm going to pass along a tip to you that's just too good not to. Now, when someone's taking sheetrock, they know the proximity of this box behind that drywall. They use something similar to a Dremel tool, and they router out the hole to access this box. And that works great in that application. But what happens if you're using paneling or thick siding? Now, for the interior walls in my shop, I'm using 1/2-inch siding. Now, I've got to be able to access each outlet box from behind 1/2-inch siding. Now, I can do all the measuring, or I can use this tip and save myself a heck of a lot of time.
That thin sheet of corkboard I pulled from a do-it-yourself gasket kit from an auto parts store. Now those screws right there, they fit in the top and bottom of that box. And these are earth magnets. You can get those online. You see those channels right there directly underneath the screw holes? That's how we're going to mark this. Guys, this is extremely simple to make, and it is very effective. Alright, those earth magnets are very strong, and they will not slide on that cork. After you got it pieced together like that, just screw that in, and guys, that's it. This is the final product, and this is the tool that's going to save you a lot of time. This is another earth magnet, and as you can see, the screw will go right through the middle of it and screw into the center of this outlet. Now you can find all of these earth magnets online. They're relatively cheap. Now you can see that is dead center. It's not going anywhere. I'm pretty sure you can see where this is going. So I'm going to finagle this sheet into place. Well, that's all there is to it. I know the box behind the sheet is straight up and down. I'm going to make sure this one's straight up and down as well. I already know it's centered up. I'm going to mark it, then I'm going to drill a couple of corner holes. I'll cut that rectangle out with my jigsaw. We're going to slide this sheet back into place. And guys, I love it when a plan comes together. That is dead center, and it is perfect. Now I have this outlet recessed because it's some part of the shop where I've busted a few outlet face covers, and I think I want to prevent that. And I will have other outlets around the shop that will be flush with the wall.
You can always measure, but that's going to take a lot more time. Guys, invest 15 minutes, this will save you that time. My name's Dom, and this is Three Bricks Higher. Post videos online about every 2 to 3 weeks. Check back and subscribe. That's up to you. We'll catch you next time. I think I want a door right there. Ain't gotta work.